All right, to finish off the front page, it's asking me which elements are liquid at room temperature. Let's go down and see, and just like before, up here it's going to show us that our liquid elements have this little symbol, and this time we're looking for a little drop of liquid. Since it's asking us which ones, I don't think that I'm going to see very many. Oh, here's one. I see bromine. That has the little liquid symbol. And I think I remember that we talked about how mercury was a liquid at room temperature. It was one of the only metals. And I see mercury right down here. I don't think I see any others right now, so I'm going to go up and put bromine and mercury as my answers. So we said bromine and mercury. Next, it wants to know which radioactive element has the lowest atomic number. Let's see. Radioactive elements have this little toxic symbol right here. And looking through, I see a lot of them down here in my actinide metals. Looks like all of my actinide metals are radioactive. I have promethium here. Oh, here's a couple more. Polonium, astatine, and radon. Francium and radium. All of my super heavy ones, it looks like. These are all the ones that have only been made in a lab by people. Oh, here's another one, technium. Trying to see if I see anything on the list higher up above technium. We're looking for the one with the lowest atomic number, which is this number up here in the top right corner. And we remember that they start at 1, 2, 3, 4, and go on. And that the higher periods have the lower numbers. So I think it's safe to say that technium is my lowest atomic number here, and with a number of 43. So technetium. Let's make sure it was technetium. And now it wants to know how many of the elements are radioactive. Well, it's a good thing that I went through and I highlighted all of them when we were finding them. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Don't see any more, so let's go up and put that down for our next answer. And where do they tend to be located on the table? Well, we have them in our actinide metals and our super heavy elements. They tend to be at the bottom of the periodic table. And then which elements are considered to be noble metals? And it has 8 of them there. Let's just take a minute and erase all of our other notes so far. Clean up our periodic table so it's easier to see what we're working on. Come on, check marks. Get out of there. It's taken me so long to erase these. Now I need to go back up and look what that question was again. Oh yeah, which elements are considered the noble metals? And there's going to be 8 of them. So again, if we look up here, we see our noble metals, just like in the question, are using this icon of a little crown. Well, I see ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, osmium, iridium, platinum, and gold. and it said 8, and I think that's all 8 of them. So let's see if we can remember these. Ruthenium and rhodium. Ruthenium and rhodium. Palladium and silver. Oops, let's try that again. There we go. Palladium and silver. Osmium and iridium. And our last two are platinum and gold. And for our last question, where do they tend to be located on the table? So they are right here in our transition metals. All right, that's it for the front of our worksheet. We'll take a break and then we'll start a next video on the